What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Morning Ackerman channel. If you guys have your iPhone frozen, you need to force restart it. This is how you do it on any iPhone going back to the iPhone 8, all the way back then. So here's how you're going to do this. Volume up, down, and then just hold the power button right there. Keep holding and going to go ahead and keep on holding. The screen's going to go black in just a second here. And as it goes black, keep holding until you see that Apple logo. Once you see that Apple logo, we're going to go ahead and release that power button right there. And no more panic, no more frozen screen. Give it a second. You should be right back into your iPhone once we get booted up here. So just one more second and here we go. Phone was frozen. So if you found the video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped.